before we close on, and we're going to go into questionings, and then we're going to have your beautiful wife, which is Kathy Ori, who's going to sing. Let's clap for Kathy Ori.
Thank you, sir.
We really also have to hit just briefly on the website, because many of people are going on a website, spending more time. And when you're on the website, I mean, you can really do that quietly.
Yes.
Meaning that there ain't no noise. You know, you're thinking like, where's the other person at? They in the other room.
Sure.
You're just thinking they just in the other room.
Yes.
But what is the solution for those that's caught up on the website, whether it's dealing with pornography, whether it's dealing with looking for somebody, and you're already occupied in a marriage? What would be the solution for them to start getting out?
Right. And I think the solution is certainly you have to strengthen your relationship with the Lord Jesus Christ. I know that sounds redundant, but that is a fact. But also the Bible says those things that offend you or cause you to stumble, then you need to cut those off. And a lot of people need to go through drastic measures and to show how real and serious I am about this addiction that I have. I'm going to do something about it. So it's like anything else. If you can't handle having a computer in your house because that's too much of a temptation, then you need to take it out. But most people see that as an extreme measure. If you can't control the ladies or the men that call you on your cell phone, you don't need a cell phone. You understand? It's the same thing. You don't ask God to deliver you from alcohol and liquor, and you got a bar full of liquor downstairs in your basement. That's redundant. You have to get rid of those things that are causing you to stumble, and we're not prepared to take drastic, extreme measures. It goes to the point where, you're going to have to cut back on the type of music that you listen to. I tell my congregation all the time, some folks, all you can listen to is Mahalia Jackson. You can't even get no jazz because, your mind is so messed up. It reminds you of Sweet Willie, reminds you of Sweetback, and then here you go again. There's certain movies that Blockbuster, you can't afford. All you watch, sweetheart and brother man, is The Passion of Christ. Watch that every day, all day long. That's all you can handle. And to thine own self, you have to be true. And you have to be committed to that. And I would encourage relationships, husband and wife, we are all brothers keepers. And don't turn a deaf ear. Don't as a wife or a husband, don't act like you don't know when you do know. We need to confront this. We need to address it. And so, maybe we need to take the TVs out the house. Take the radio out. Take the computer out. If you can't handle it, take it out. But you sitting there saying it's a temptation. Well, the computer doesn't turn itself on. You got to turn it on. And you're sitting up there, and you got to be aware. I'm in love with my wife, and we're supposed to be together. But you're aware she's in the house, and she's been gone down there for an hour or two on the computer. What you doing down there? We need to take inventory and be responsible for what's happening in that area.
That's very good.
Yeah.
That's very good. We got to clap for them again.
Thank you.
We're going to briefly take some questions you can address to Pastor Ori related to how